So today, we're taking a peek at a small little toy drone from TSRC. It's a 150 gram little drone. It works with your cell phone, and I'm actually looking forward to testing this guy out. So, without further ado, the TSRC drone. Okay guys, today we are doing a kind of an unboxing. We're going to get it out, we're going to set it up real quick, and then we're going to go out inside and test it out. But this is TSRC's drone. It is an inexpensive drone. It literally goes for 39 bucks on Amazon. So today, let's see what this actually looks like. Let's get it out of the box first. Open that guy up. It does come with a nice little storage box. Open that guy up, and some styrofoam. Please use the drone in calm weather and control within sight. Makes sense, because that's how you should be doing drones anyway, if you even want to do it according to the law. Okay, so lightweight, kind of cheaper controller for it. Looks like they at least give you the AAA batteries that it's going to require. There is the polymer battery, and I bet the drone has one on it as well. Yep, there it is. So it's right there in the back. I'm probably gonna have to make sure to get that charged up before we go outside. Let's get everything out of here first. There are propeller guards, USB-C to USB-A, 2 of them cables, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. And then of course you have the storage case, which is handy. Let's open the drone. 1 arm, 2 arms, so it opens very similar. Oh no, it doesn't. This is just actually also sideways. It's a little bit different than a Mavic from DJI. And then there's that on the bottom of the battery, you push that in, you pull the battery out, and I wonder if this is, yep. So this is actually in place just to keep the battery from actually connecting to the drone itself. So I'm gonna get these charged up, and then we'll talk about the next steps. Yep, the port's just right there on the battery. So I'll get one of these charged up, or both of them actually. If you wanna see what these look like while charging, light did go red. I'm assuming it's gonna go green, or it's gonna just go out when it's done. So at least while we wait for that, I'm gonna get the batteries into the remote and get that ready. AAA batteries are always a pain to get out of these plastic things. There we go. Just cheap, super duty batteries, whatever, it's fine for now. And there we go. So that is that, and that flips up, and then your phone goes right there. Pretty simple. I didn't see this additional piece back here. Additional propellers, a little screwdriver to install the propellers, and some screws in there to, in case you lose the screws that the propellers are, or what it's attaching the propeller to the drone. So that's there, that's in there. Set that off to the side, and then some silica gel for you. That's just stuff over the battery, just cautions of a lithium-ion battery or a lithium polymer battery. So this card is just to go over, hey, don't charge batteries in this case, because obviously charging batteries, they get warm, so make sure you have them out. And then of course we actually have the installation or the setup guide, which we will be following to get this guy set up. I did download the TSRC app, so I do have that ready to go, and we'll go over that once we actually have one of these batteries fully charged. Charging the batteries can take up to 2 hours depending on the state of charge. So I'll just give this time, and I'll be back shortly. It does turn green when it's done. So I got some lunch in me, now I'm ready to go. Eject button was facing down, and then you can see the actual fins for the power connections go into that guy there. So we're gonna slide this guy in, and yeah, and it does snap, so we know that the battery's not gonna slide out. I do have the app on my phone, and I'm gonna bring the phone here on the one side here. Okay, so I have the aircraft, I have my remote control, and then I have the app here. So you just search TSRC, and you can see that we actually have 2 different ones. So in this case, it is the TSRC app. We're gonna hit open. We're gonna start with, let me do this real quick. Okay, hopefully you can see the app here decently, because now it's landscape mode. But either way, we're gonna power on the aircraft and place it on a horizontal surface. So we have it here on the desk, and if it's just push and hold, yep, so then it starts flashing. Next, we're gonna use the same thing on the remote control. There's a power button here, push and hold. Looks like that just turns on, and just a solid red light there. So now that's on. Connect the app. So we're going to go to the Wi-Fi settings of my phone. So I had to actually cycle the Wi-Fi, turn it off, turn it on, but you can see TSRC and then this guy. So there we go, we'll let it connect. And now it looks like we are connected, and there's not going to be an internet connection. I'm going to go back to the app. Would like to connect, I'll hit allow. So let's see here. Controls, let's go back to that, figures. Yep, it is seeing the camera, so I'm putting my fingers there. All right, cool. I'm going to leave it on that. I'm going to connect to the controller here. So now we have to do a compass calibration. Looks like left and right joystick down to the right until it flashes. And then there's the motor unlock, just like on any drone, together and down. All right. So that definitely works. We're going to want to go outside and test this. Let's see here. I'm going to take my phone case off, actually, because it doesn't, with the phone case, it doesn't fit down in the remote very well, where with the phone case off, definitely a little bit better. Verify we're still good. Yep. All right, we're going to try taking off here. So hopefully you can see this fine. Kind of all over the place a little bit, but it is, I'm getting used to it. All right, let's try how, wow. Not a great camera drone, but whoa! Let's go out a little ways. Let's see. Come on, come back. Oh, wait, lost signal. There we go. Oh man! Whoa! And I hit the shed. So I will say that it is definitely a lot harder than a traditional drone that I have, but no harm, no foul. It did not hurt the drone. Woo! See if I can get it to stay still to get kind of a photo. Wi-Fi distance is okay, but it's definitely jittery, as you can see on the camera. I don't know what that does. Whoa! It did a flap! I'm going to bring that out back and we're going to do it again. Hopefully you guys can get to see this. Whoa, it went forward! Let's try that again. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And let's do another flip, yeah! And another flip. All right, that's kind of cool. It's fun. You know, the phone is less necessary than I thought it was going to be. I mean, obviously I could see the video feed, but to be honest, this is not a drone you're going to fly out of your sight. It's not something that's going to have a drastic distance capable. So, whoa, here we go. Let's see how this button works for down. Let's see if I can land it on the grass here. Yep, and landed great that time. How far can I go before it dies? Lose the signal. Oh, no, I still got it. Don't want to go in the pool. Don't want to go in there. I will say the little landing button does work, and while it's coming down, you can still direct it to right there, and it'll land. So that is a handy little feature. So, for what this is a fun little aircraft. Is it what I would traditionally consider a drone? It's hard to say, because I mean, I usually look at drones versus remote controlled aircraft a little bit differently. Drones, I think, is if I you know, I can have it do certain things by itself, and the rest I have to control. This is a full, you are controlling it the whole time. Hovering mode, it doesn't have GPS coordination and all that stuff, so it does tend to drift one way or the other. It wasn't drastically hard to keep it in control there, but I'm sure that the nuances, once you get used to all the buttons and how everything works. I will say, for $39, I had an aircraft, I would say it was like a $35, $39 aircraft years ago. It was a lot of fun, but it was hard to control, and it took me, you know, a few flights before I felt like I was really good at it. This one is definitely easier than that one was, but the neat thing about this is that it has those aerobatic moves and things like that. So the camera is neat, but the thing is that with the phone, and obviously take it off any case that you have, it works better without a case because it doesn't. I will say this phone mount is really chintzy because, to be honest, I think I actually would have enjoyed flying that aircraft better without the phone in this, because it's so top heavy, because this is so light, and this, I don't really trust this holding my phone very well. So that's what I'll say about that. All in all, it is a fun aircraft. I'll give it that. It is fun to fly. So TSRC for 39 bucks, fun little project. I ran it into the shed once and it didn't damage it, and I don't have any of the propeller guards on there. Like I said, it does come with it. You can put it on there. I usually use those for indoor flights, but yeah, it's a fun little guy. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the description where you can check it out on Amazon. 39 bucks. Is it worth 39 bucks? Yes. It is a fun little $39 toy. And I do like the fact that it comes with the case and everything like that. So, yeah. TSRC drone. There we go. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment below if you've ever used one of these. And, yeah, let everybody else know. Otherwise, we'll catch you back here on TechGooch for another future video review. See you soon.